Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So, as you can see from the video, this video is going to be a different one. This video is going to be an informational one. In this video, I'm going to talk about IGNOU. IGNOU refers to it is an open university. It is called the Indira Gandhi Open National University. Okay, if I'm right, Indira Gandhi National Open University. Yes. It is an university open for all. That means you have to what to say, you have to possess certain qualifications to pursue a degree of your choice or a course of your choice, and you have to undergo a program of starting from 1 year to 2 year to, I don't know, it maybe ranges from five years and all. So you can do your bachelor's program, your master's program, and lots more. Presently, yes, I'm a student of IGNOU. This is my last and final year. I'm pursuing my master's from IGNOU. So yes, on December is my term and examinations. Please wish me luck, guys. I need your luck. Okay, talking about the exams a little bit. Exams are not that much hard, okay, and but at the same time not that much easier too. You have to study. So how do I study? Actually, I refer to uh, information from net mostly. Trust me, books really helps, I know, but I am always in a hurry, and in a very short span of time I every time I end up preparing for my exams, and I was left with very few days before my exam. So that's why I needed something very urgent and very what to say, something which is confirmly going to help me in the examinations to prepare for my answers and all. So net is the best way to prepare your answers. Research and search many topics. There are many more sites, so you can get information to related to any topic that you have in your exam. And yes, books, and nothing replaces books, right? Books are the best sources of knowledge. So books helps, study materials, study guides do helps, notes if you are taking tuitions from any professors, that will help. Prepare in whichever way you find helpful. I find the information, collecting information on the net more helpful, and always try to write it down. Whatever information you collect, write it down always, because it's very difficult to remember so many things. Okay guys, making this video too long. If any more information regarding the exams and anything related to IGNOU admissions, please comment in the comment section below. I will definitely make another video related to this matter. In this video I'm going to talk about assignments. You need to submit IGNOU assignments twice a year. The only twice a year IGNOU holds its what to say, admissions, and according to that, my always I have taken admission in the January session, and my last date for submission of my assignments is has always been 30th September 30. So submitting assignments is very much important, guys, because uh, the marks and the marks in the assignments is 100. Obviously you will not get to 100, and 100 means out of in theory 100 marks, in assignments 100 marks. That means if you get 80 in assignments and for example 60 in theory, the marks will be added up, and out of 200 you will get your marks. Sorry, that is not going to happen. They actually do a particular, there is a method of calculating the marks. Obviously the more weightage will go to the your theory marks, but still assignment marks are very much important. If you properly follow the methods, the rules and regulations, the notebook, the rule book that is provided along with your assignment topic rule book, so you will find there are many what to say is small and but significant points to be followed, which we many a times end up making mistakes or omitting them. Since this is my second year, I am now quite equipped or acquainted to all those rules and regulations. In the first year, I do have made some mistakes, yes, but still I don't know how. Those mistakes were not that much important or no bigger ones, so I got good marks in my assignments. I really want to help my friend. Her name is Bushra. She has helped me a lot in helping me out in preparing for my first assignments. I needed to write a lot, and in collecting information she helped me out. But this time she was not completely there, as she was not what to say by health okay, and not available to me at that time. But she still helped. She has been a beautiful friend, a very loving, what to say, a friend who is always there for me. So thank you, Bushra, if you're hearing to me right now. And obviously other friends too, Samina, Bushra, and Shagufa are my college friends. I just feel like naming them. I don't know, in my video. I really miss you guys. So okay, moving to the video. I am so much, what to say, I deflect from the topic a lot. So yes, talking about IGNOU assignments, don't take your assignments very lightly, guys. If you're an IGNOU student, IGNOU is a very nice platform to undergo your other courses that you could not carry on as regular courses and all. You don't need to attend classes regularly. Only classes are held in the weekends, and you just have to give the exams, prepare for the exams for the whole year, give exams. Only there are term and exams, means in 1 year you just have to give 4 subjects exam, right? So it's really actually easy if you manage to give that amount of time. It's really what to say, nothing. Just put a little bit hard work and results will show, definitely. So yep, assignments, I there please follow the rule book. You have to write the enrollment number, your name, the date of submission, your signature, your address on the above of the cover leaflet and booklet, whatever you say. Don't make it too showy, don't decorate it, keep it completely simple. Trust me, guys. Don't try to, even don't think to decorate it or do anything or to say very showy on it. It will lessen your marks. Write everything properly. Draw a margin of 1 inch from the above, from everywhere. Make a box which has a margin of 1 inch. I hope you're understanding what I'm trying to say. And use 2 pens. Write all the questions. Do write all the questions. You can write the questions with black pen or blue pen. You can change, use as many colors you want. I'm not very sure about this matter, but I think you can use many colors as want. And I do use black color for the what to say, questions, and blue color for the answers. And try to, if your question is of 20 marks, you have to write, what to say, minimum 5 pages. Yes. And your question is 10 marks, you have to write 3 pages minimum. And wherever your answer stops, leave the page. Even if the page has lots of spaces left, don't worry, leave the page, go to next page. Always start a new question from a next page, from a new page, right? And keep it simple. Follow the rule book. Don't forget to what to say, write all the information that is needed to be written. And obviously while submitting, do carry your what to say, assignment submission form. It is available in the internet, in your IGNOU site. I will put a link in the description box below also to how to download the link. So I hope this video helped you guys. If any information missed out or anything you want to know from me, do comment in the comment section below. I will really feel glad to help you guys, really, trust me. So till then, stay happy, stay blessed, and do subscribe to my channel, guys. Share it with your friends and family. Take care. Bye.